Rock Up Racing. So, we've done a thing, haven't we, Thomas?
We have, Charlie. Tell the viewers what we've done.
We've bought another car.
You're joking. Not another one?
Welcome to Rock Up Racing.
This time, though, it's a V8.
We finally have a V8 to race in Bernie's V8s.
When we say it's a car to race in Bernie's V8s, I mean, there's quite a lot of work to do on the car before we can actually get it even, like, to the track. Yeah?
Agreed.
Before you can even start the engine, actually, because it sort of doesn't have an engine in it at the moment. I mean, it's got an engine with it, but yeah, it's a little project car. It was too much of a good deal to pass up on, and we've been looking for a V8 for ages to race in Bernie's V8s. So yeah, we're on our way now to collect it from a person who you have seen on the channel once before. So we'll see you there. So some of you probably are wondering, like, what's the plan with it, what we're going to do to it. So I think the plan is to fit twin turbo to it, sequential gearbox, Motec management.
Because they'll love that.
Yeah. Run slicks with just like one groove cut in them as well. I think.
Yeah. They're full.
Is the plan.
Yeah.
That's good satire.
Okay, so we've just got here. Let's see the car. Oh my god. A Camaro. Look at it.
Yeah.
Bernie's V8s, here we come.
What the team have bought is a second-generation Chevrolet Camaro produced by Chevrolet from 1970 to 1981. This particular Camaro has spent the majority of its life as a race car, with its most recent years being raced in the UK. As you can see, it's in a rough state, clearly showing the signs of its racing history and the wear and tear from years on the track. This car is now ready for a new chapter with Rock Up Racing.
Such a shame. Yeah, we done full. It's a full build from Shell, like that.
Yeah.
As that.
So Tom, that's the goal, yeah? That's the goal. You can do it, Tom. Tom could do anything.
That's amazing. That is really cool.
That is beautiful, isn't it?
Really cute.
Beautiful. Amazing. That is some car. She'll go. She'll go. Can you have that one like that by next week? You are? Are you stuck?
Tiny though, isn't it? Can you open the little door?
No, mate. No. Hi, Tom.
I probably can get there actually.
You know what I mean? Look at that.
And that was a good running engine.
Really?
You wouldn't have known. You see.
Well, you opened it up and it was just like that.
Yeah.
What? Well, if it's running alright, mate, just put it back together, Thomas.
Well, I'd probably clean it.
Thomas. Bit of clean.
What happened? Was it just all like built of oil and stuff?
Yeah.
Oil and coke and good things.
That's nice, that is.
I mean,
That
push
stinks of
ones,
horsepower.
how are they even moving?
Yeah.
We did say. But we put the valve on. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, that don't. Let's have a look into it. Took the inlet off. It was like,
That's just insane.
but it runs so smooth.
It's just like bald eagle shit and cheeseburgers. Isn't it?
Along with the car, the team is also collecting a 5.7-liter V8 motor from a pickup truck. This engine is purely a donor, and the team is considering possibly just using the block.
You were alright, they even done a timing cover at the front.
So, the plan is to get this back to the garage and start sourcing fiberglass panels, researching engines and gearboxes, and developing a comprehensive plan for the transformation. The team will meticulously rebuild this Camaro from the ground up, turning it into a new American badass. This process involves not just restoring, but reimagining the car's potential, ensuring it's equipped with cutting-edge technology and performance enhancements. They'll also make sure it meets the eligibility requirements for Bernie's V8s and historic outlaws, allowing it to compete in the prestigious racing series. Stay tuned as Rock Up Racing embarks on this exciting journey, blending passion, expertise, and a touch of madness to bring this legendary Camaro back to its glory days.